Hello, in this session we'll see a problem based on coefficient of regression. So it says for a certain bivariate data on 5 pairs of observation, we have summation of x equal to 20, summation of y equal to 20, summation of x square equal to 90, summation of y square equal to 90, and summation of xy equal to 76. So for this case we have to calculate the covariance of xy, the regression coefficient byx and bxy, and the coefficient of correlation r. Now from the given data, as we know that first of all finding the covariance, for which we need the mean value, that is x mean equal to summation of x over n. So since the number of observation given is 5 pair, we can say that n is equal to 5, and x mean will be summation of x over n and y mean will be summation of y over n. So as summation of x is 20, we can say that this is 20 over 5 and this is also 20 over 5. So we may get this as 4 and 4. Now the covariance, which is given as 1 over n times of summation of xy minus x mean times of y mean, this will become summation of xy, which is given as 76. So this is 76 over 5 minus 4 into 4, and this is equal to negative zero point 0.8. So this is the covariance we were looking for, covariance of xy. So this is our first part. Moving to the second part, which is about the regression coefficient. Now, as we know that the expression for regression coefficient is given as byx equal to n times of summation of xy minus summation of x times of summation of y divided by n times of summation of x square minus square of summation of x, and this is going to be the value 5 times of 76 minus 20 times of 20 divided by 5 times of summation x square, which is 90, minus square of summation of x, that is 20 square. This comes out to be equal to negative of zero point 0.4. Now similarly, we may find bxy, which is given by bxy equal to n times of product of summation xy, which is equal to n times of summation of xy minus product of summation of x with summation of y divided by n times of summation of y square minus square of summation of y. And with the given values, we may say that this will be equal to 5 times of 76 minus product of summation x and summation y, that will be 20 times of 20 divided by 5 times of summation of y square, which is 90, minus square of the summation, which is 20 square. And we will see that this also comes out to be negative 0 point 0.4. So we may say that we have got the values of byx as negative 0 point 0.4 and bxy also as negative zero point 0.4. Now with this, moving to the third part, which is about the correlation coefficient, and as we know that this is equal to r equal to plus and minus square root of bxy times of byx. This will be equal to plus and minus square root of negative zero point 0.4 times of negative zero point 0.4, which is actually plus and minus zero point 0.4. Now we have to understand that since byx and bxy are both negative, therefore r will also be negative, and we have to choose that r will be equal to negative of zero point 0.4 in this case. So if we have found all the values, the covariance, which is equal to negative of zero point 0.8, the byx, which is negative zero point 0.4, the bxy, which is negative zero point 0.4, and at last the correlation coefficient, which is also negative zero point 0.4. So these are the values we were looking for in this question, and we are done with this. Thank you.